welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. So guys, today I'll be making pumpkin punch, so I'll be showing you the full process of that. So I have my water on the fire. That's 5 cups of water. I'm gonna add like half teaspoon of salt. Alright, and I have my pumpkin here. This is a pound and a half of pumpkin. So I'm just gonna place everything in the pot. Like that. So I'm just gonna give that a stir and allow it to cook. So I'm now just gonna cover my pot. Okay, so my stove is on medium, so I'll be back to show you when my pumpkin is finished. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna drain the water from the pumpkin like that. So this is a lovely punch, like for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or kind of Sunday. This is very nice. You all should try this. It's really delicious. Alright, so I'm just going to place it there like that. And I'll just leave that to cool there. And I'll be back. Okay guys, so now that the pumpkin is cool, I'm going to add it to my blender. So just get everything in. So as I go along, I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I will be using in my pumpkin punch. So remember guys, this is my way of doing it, alright? And you should try it this way because it's really tasty. Alright? I'll just add everything in like that. So that's beautiful. Alright, so I have a Guinness here. I'm just going to use like a cup of this. So I'm going to open that. And if you don't do alcohol, guys, you can always use your Malta. So that's for who not that don't like alcohol. I don't drink alcohol, I should say. So a cup of Guinness I'm going to use. So yeah, that's a cup. Alright. And I'm going to add a dragon stout to it. So I'm going to use half of this as well. So I'm just going to pour that in. So like that, beautiful. Alright. And I'm going to add a can of supligen. So I'm going to use all of this. In there, like that. And I'm going to add, I'm going to use a Ensure, guys. So if you don't have to use this, but just give it a, you know, a nice good twist to it. So we're going to add some of the Ensure, right? So we had all of that. Give it a nice little twist. You should try that. Alright. So now I have my nutmeg. This is 1 teaspoon. We're just going to put that in. Like that. And we have our cinnamon. We're going to add a teaspoon of that as well. And we're going to add a little almond essence, sorry. This tastes really good. I like to have this in my pumpkin punch, my beetroot, my carrot. Guys, try it. It flavors out the thing. So we're going to do a teaspoon of this in there. Let's just add a little bit more. So a teaspoon and just a little. Go with Jamaican with measurements, yeah? Alright. And I'm going to add, you know, this is a must. Vanilla she is a must. You have to add her in it. So I go do a teaspoon and a half of vanilla. Because this give it nice flavor as well. So this is that. I'm going ahead just a few ice cubes too. Sorry, hold on. Because this you can't wait to put this in the fridge for chill this. We have to chill it like this. So as it done, this is a must have. So you can't just do this and just put it in the fridge and sit down and wait. No. You want this right away. Yeah. So we're going to blend. So we're going to turn our blender on. Okay guys, so now the blending process is finished. I'm going to get my jug and I'm going to pour it out, and then I'm going to sweeten this one. Alright? Look how rich this look. Woo! Oh. Lord of mercy. So I have my juggy here. So I'm just going to pour it out, guys. Just look at the goodness. Look at all the goodness here, guys. Look on that. Guys, look at that. I wish I could share it with you all. But guess what? I get the recipe. And you're going to the kitchen. And you go to this. So now you're going to get your wooden spoon, because we're going to mix this together with the condensed milk. Look at that. Come cameraman, show them inside there. Look on that. People, look here. Look there. Oh, this is yummy. Alright. So now I'm going to use my condensed milk. Guys, if you don't like condensed milk, you can use Lasco. I'm going to show you. You can use your vanilla Lasco, your peanut punch Lasco, whichever one that you like. Alright. So you're sweet to taste. So this is a big jug, so I think you're going to take all of the milk. Alright. Cut all the richness, guys. Look on that. Alright, so this is all of that. Alright, that's fine. If it needed, then I'm going to put it in there. And then we're going to mix that. Look at that. This is beautiful. Yummy. Guys, tell me what you have your pumpkin punch with. You know, rice and peas and chicken, whatever you have it with. A little biscuit and so, anything. But comment down below and let me know. And please remember to like this video, share it. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. So you see that red subscribe, you're gonna turn that into gray. Alright? Let me watch you now. Look guys, so this is the Lasco. Yeah? If you don't like condensed milk, you can use Lasco, your peanut punch one, you can use that your vanilla or your creamy malt, whichever one. So we're going to taste this now guys. I'm going to taste it, and I'm going to have somebody taste it too. I'm telling you if it have a buzz or not. May I try it? Taste a little. To see if you want anything, but boy, may I tell you, this tastes good. But I'm going to have just a little more almond essence in there, just a little. Just a little. So we'll say we use 2 teaspoons of that, but I'll leave everything in the description box guys. Beautiful. And thank you guys so much for your continued support. I really appreciate you all. Okay guys, so this is the end of my pumpkin punch. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll definitely try it. It's really good, as I said before. And yeah, so I'll be having testers. They're having 2 persons that's going to taste it, and they're going to tell me their honest opinion what it tastes like. Okay, it's their first time having it. So are you ready? Alright, so we have Dandan here and KB Fitness, so they're gonna taste it. They never had it before. And let me know what they think. So yeah. Yeah, KB Fitness, tell me.
Smooth. Very smooth. It has a little cinnamon thing to it. I like that.
Alright, nice. And then tell me what you're tasting. What you can taste.
It's beautiful.
Alright.
I can really taste the rich texture. I can taste all of the ingredients. It is definitely made with love. 10 out of 10 would recommend. You should definitely try this.
Alright. Nice. Okay guys, so you're gonna go over KB Fitness if you want to fit up the body and so. And he's gonna tell you his YouTube channel and his Instagram. Go over there and subscribe.
Alright guys, so you can follow me on Instagram at kbfitness___, or you can go on YouTube and follow KB Fitness.
Thank you. I know you're going to do it. I'm watching you and you. Bye. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.